A busy couple learns that a rushed text about plans often hides unmet needs and growing distance that quietly reshapes habits. Experts explain that numbing emotions before requests reduces defensiveness and opens space for collaborative problem solving in everyday life. In a real-life example, they practice a calm check-in and agree on a weekly boundary review and invite accountability. The video shares practical steps like using simple affirmations and scheduling time for conversations without distractions while improving listening. By the end, they report deeper trust and clearer expectations, proving small, honest talks can realign any relationship for changes.